You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from music or Italian, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you can learn from. The Latin pronunciation and also Spanish, Italian, Stradivarius. Stradivarius would be how it's said in Italian, or in Latin, the Stradivari family. In English, therefore, it's either pronounced Stradivarius, or it is also accepted as being the more English pronunciation, Stradivarius. Yes, in English it's pronounced sometimes Stradivarius. That's more English, but comes from Italian, Stradivarius. So both pronunciations are correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.